Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into our channel and watching our videos. I hope you're doing amazing. Today we'll be taking a tour of a beautiful, just listed luxury home in Queen Creek, Arizona within the Whitewing Whisper Ranch community. Talk about a dream home. This home has everything. I suppose it should. It's a dream home. 4 bedrooms, den, teen room, 4.5 bathrooms. There's just so much about this house I love, but I'll let the pictures do the talking. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the description below, or call me or email me. All of my information can be found there as well. My name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team, and we would be happy, actually honored, to help with all of your Valley of the Sun real estate needs, including this just listed luxury home in Queen Creek, Arizona. Be it buying and or selling, renting, upsizing, downsizing, investing, you name it, we do it. Okay, on with the tour. Talk to you soon. Oh, did I mention this beautiful luxury home in Queen Creek, Arizona has a gourmet kitchen with Viking appliances to die for? Each of the 4 bedrooms has a walk-in closet. That is awesome. There's a private courtyard. This home sits on almost 37,000 square feet. That's a pretty big lot. The backyard, covered patio, and a barbecue area that you can have the party of parties. Entertain until your heart's content. All of the information about this property, again, could be located down in the description. Please take a moment to review everything. Also, if you're thinking about relocating to the Valley of the Sun, request your free Arizona relocation guide. It's the first link pinned in the comments. Thank you. Let's get on with the tour. More about this beautiful Queen Creek luxury home within the gated community of Whitewing Whisper Ranch. Trust me, that's a lot to say all in one sentence. But boy, oh boy, is this home worth it. It has a heated pool and spa. Guest Casita, that's beautiful for your friends, mother-in-law. So much private space. You'll get lost walking around the inside of this house. And the lot, there's a skate ramp, you name it, this home has it. I'll pop in a little bit later to tell you about the amenities of this subdivision and surrounding areas. But for now, let's get back to the video, as I'm sure you're sick of me babbling about when the pictures will do so much more than my words. Or maybe not. Let's go over some of the amazing amenities in the Whitewing Whispering Ranch gated community in Queen Creek, Arizona. There's a clubhouse, playground, bocce ball court, dog park, spectacular views of the mountains. Look, Queen Creek, Arizona is still growing and has most everything you could want. Dining, entertainment, hospitals, education. If you have any questions about this luxury home, Queen Creek, Arizona, or any Valley of the Sun area, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to answer any of your questions. Real estate in Arizona is what we do. Thank you for watching our videos. As always, make sure you click subscribe, thumbs up, leave us a comment. Talk to you soon. God bless America.